Staffs, counselors, please be quiet. One by one, counselors, lapitan po ninyo ang inyong mga counsels. Counselors, listen. Quiet. Numbers, I need you to be quiet. Don't speak any words. Quiet. Ngayon po ang gagawin natin.